Oh, a single hair? Okay, let me get rid of that. How's that even possible? I'm a little late, but I think I have time for a few selfies. Oh my gosh, you look so cute. Kinda hungry, but trying to stay in shape, so I shouldn't eat. But then if I don't eat, it's gonna slow down my metabolism. And if my metabolism is slow, then I'm gonna gain weight, so I should eat. But then if I eat, I might gain weight. If I don't eat, it's gonna slow down my metabolism. Should I eat? Shouldn't I eat? I'm hungry. I look good in this jumpsuit. Goodbye, Wengie. I like it. Well, this is awkward. Max, I need your help. time to get this perfect wing. Wait, I think I did a bit too much. It's okay, I'm gonna even out the other side. Just add a little bit more on the other side. Wait, okay, evening it out again. Is this? Okay, wait, a bit more. Okay, just a little bit more on the other side. All right, I got it. This is it. Don't forget to check out my toy line, which is now out in Walgreens. It's called Whimsical by Wengie and features all new slime flavors and slime art kit. The slime is the best slime I've ever played with, so don't miss out.